Welcome to the Ultimate Bloc course. In this course, you will learn everything you need to know about Bloc, from the basics to more advanced concepts. So stay with me. Let me give you some great news. From now on, you can join our Flutter community on Telegram. Simply join this group to stay in contact with other Flutter developers, to learn from each other, and to become a better Flutter developer. So don't forget and join now. Before we get started, let's see what will you learn. In order to understand the block very well, I have divided the course into several main and important parts. In the first part, we are going to learn the stream. The block is based on this stream, so we can understand how the block works. In the second part, we will learn the block pattern. In this part, we will try to implement an example without using the block package and only using the block pattern. This part will make us appreciate the block every day, because the block package makes this process very simple. And in the last part, we will learn the Flutter block package and how to use it. In each part, I will show you code samples and I will try to move forward slowly, so I can make the block easier for you that many people have made it difficult. But first of all, let's see what is the block and why do we use it. I wanna start from the root. We all know in Flutter everything is a widget. The widget can be divided into two categories: the stateless widget and the stateful widget. Stateless widget does not have any internal state. It means once it is built, we cannot change or modify it until they are initialized again. Stateful widget is dynamic and has a state. It means we can modify it easily throughout its lifecycle without reinitializing. So now let's see what state management is. State management is one of the most popular and necessary processes in the life cycle of an application. By official documentation, Flutter is declarative. It means Flutter builds its UI by reflecting the current state of your app. To manage the large size of applications, we must need to manage states. There are many state management libraries in Flutter, but we will talk about Bloc. First, let's see what is the block. Bloc stands for Business Logic Components. It is a state management system for Flutter recommended by many developers. Bloc tries to separate the logic from the UI component. The widget that uses Bloc will be able to remain stateless and remains responsive to state changes. Bloc is popular in the Flutter community because of its separation of concerns, testability, and scalability. In the next video, we are going to start the stream to get a good understanding of the block. So stay with me.